If you're looking to use affiliate marketing tools for SaaS and subscriptions effectively, this quick 3-minute guide will walk you through exactly what you need to know. I'll show you how to streamline your affiliate efforts, boost conversions, and make the most of the tools available. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using in this tutorial. You won't want to miss it. First things first, affiliate marketing for SaaS and subscription-based products requires the right set of tools. Without them, tracking your commissions, managing your affiliates, and scaling your efforts can get messy. This software we're using today is designed specifically for that, making it easier to grow your affiliate program and see success. So let's dive right in. The first step is setting up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see an intuitive dashboard. From here, you'll want to configure your affiliate tracking links. These are crucial because they help you monitor where traffic and sales are coming from. When setting them up, make sure you're clear on the unique identifiers for each affiliate. This way, you'll know which affiliate generated which sale. Next, let's talk about integrating this software with your SaaS platform or subscription service. The great thing about this software is that it connects seamlessly with popular SaaS platforms, giving you access to in-depth analytics and reporting. You'll be able to see detailed reports on clicks, conversions, and the overall performance of your affiliates. This level of insight is essential for optimizing your affiliate campaigns. Now, let's move on to managing your affiliates. With this tool, you can easily recruit new affiliates by sharing your affiliate program link. You can also track how well each affiliate is performing by checking their conversion rates and commissions. This helps you identify your top performers and give them the attention they deserve. You also want to set up automatic payments for your affiliates. This ensures that once they've met the minimum payout threshold, they get paid automatically without you having to lift a finger. It's a smooth, hands-off way to keep your affiliates motivated and your program running efficiently. Don't forget about the promotion side of things. Using the promotional materials provided by this software, like banners and email templates, will help your affiliates better market your SaaS or subscription service. You can even create custom promo codes that affiliates can use to offer discounts to their audience while still tracking the affiliate sales accurately. Finally, to ensure success, it's important to continually monitor and optimize your program. Track which affiliates are bringing in the highest quality traffic and adjust commissions if needed to keep them incentivized. Also, test different affiliate marketing strategies, like limited time offers or seasonal promotions, to see what works best for your SaaS or subscription service. A key takeaway from today's video is that using affiliate marketing tools for SaaS and subscriptions can save you time and help you scale your business. By setting up affiliate tracking, managing affiliates, automating payments, and using the promotional resources, you'll be well on your way to growing your affiliate program. To recap, set up tracking links, integrate with your platform, manage affiliates, automate payments, and make use of promotional materials. And remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to try this software out for yourself. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your affiliate marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.